Hey, my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine because me, I'm good. So, in today's video, I'll be wigging my hair at the same time showing you guys how I wig my hair. Okay? Yeah, you can say that I'm a jack of all trade. Yeah, thank you. So, this is actually a frontal wig, but the frontal looks so bad that I had to remove it, and now I'm turning it into a closure wig. Wigging of hair is actually very simple. It's not as hard as some of you think. I don't know if you can learn one or two from this video, but if you watch closely, trust me, you will learn one or two. So first thing you have to do is to get a wigging cap that you prefer or that is easy for you to wig your hair. As for me, I prefer this particular one because it has that head shape and all that. You can easily follow the direction to wig your hair. I'm not a beginner, I'm not a professional, but I wig hair for clients. I make money from wigging. Okay, so if you don't mind, you can send me your hair, let me wig it for you. My location is Lagos. Okay, so some wiggers always use this particular, what is that thing called? There is this thing that you can use to line your cap in order for you to follow exactly the hairline. And also, if your hair is not much, lining the hair will help you to manage the bundle. Okay, but for me, I don't always do that. Like, I have never done that. Okay, I've never used that lining stuff, but I always follow the direction. Like I said, I'm not a professional, I'm not a beginner, but I know what I am doing. Okay, so that is just it. And also, whenever you are wigging your hair, always make sure that you are knotting your hair very, very well in order for the hair to last long. Okay, so that is just it. And also, when you are making your thread, make sure that is double. Like, I think mine is 4 or 6. Okay, 4. Yeah, it's 4. 4. So make sure that your thread is double. It will help the hair to last long. I mean, the wig, it will last longer. Because if you use the tiny thread, the wig will start losing, and you wouldn't want that. So try to use double thread and always knot your wig very, very well. So, like I said, I'm not really good in teaching, but if you watch closely, you learn one or two. So that is it, guys. So it's remaining the closure part, just this part. So we'll be using this small part, just this, to create the closure. I won't be doing that myself because I don't get single strength like this, so someone else will be doing it. So see ya when it's ready. So we change the wig from short frontal to closure, like matching closure. Oh my god, I feel like putting on this wig again, but it's no longer mine. I deliver. So okay,